Hi, my name is Richard Lang. I'm the Director of Aerospace Research Operations, and I'm also the producer of the AeroOps YouTube channel. We just wanted to share with you some information about our organization. In April of 2023, Richard Lang established the Aerospace Research Operations Organization, which is domiciled in Virginia and registered with the State Corporation Commission in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Richard Lang has written 3 books on the subject of UFO investigation, and he is considered to be a recognized expert in this field. Aerospace Research Operations is a scientific research cooperative that's focused on unidentified anomalous phenomena and the associated high strangeness and paranormal effects that typically result after an encounter. We provide analytical examination of data found in witness sighting reports, as well as providing case report analysis. Partners have demonstrated high level of skill in researching databases. Additionally, we're prepared to deploy in the field with advanced instrumentation to detect and record various electromagnetic field, radio frequencies, nuclear radiation, as well as temperature variations. Deployment teams carry photographic equipment for high-definition video, night vision, and infrared imaging, as well as optical telescopes and laser equipment. Services include on-site independent investigation, consulting, and establishment of training programs and curriculums. Please check out our website at AEROPS.site. You'll be able to find current posts, new information, and a list of advisory board members. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.